Look, $500 a month isn't luck. It's strategy. The difference? Most people scroll, you execute. Even just 1 hour a day can turn into daily payouts. Start small. Upload a design, post a reel, do 1 gig. That momentum builds. You don't need to go viral. You just need to show up. And the best part, once you get your first payout, it clicks. This is real, not a side dream, a side income. Keep watching, because next, I'll show you the easiest one to start with, even if you're broke. Schools won't teach this. Parents don't know it. Here's how I made $500 last month from my couch. No experience needed. Step 1. Use free AI tools to design merch. I'll link templates. Step 2. Upload to Redbubble, Etsy. Step 3. Profit while you sleep. This one sold 11 times. No skills? No problem. These apps pay today. Instacart. Shop for others. Fiverr. Sell any skill. Free cash. Surveys equals free gift cards. Post 3 reels a week about anything. Gaming, makeup, anime. YouTube pays $100 to $500 a month once monetized. I'll show you how in part 7. Comment hustle for my free gig app list. Subscribe. Part 7 reveals how to turn this into $1,000 a month.